What up, what up, what up? It's your man Tech Mind coming at you with another banger that could put some money in your wallets, y'all. Please, man, do me a favor, come on over here and make sure y'all like the video, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And don't forget to come on over to the Crypto Corner Telegram channel, y'all. The link is in the description. You want to learn about crypto, you want to know about crypto, we got plenty of guys over there, man, that can guide you along the way. You understand what I'm saying? Community is lit over there. You understand me? One more thing, y'all. This is very important as well. If you go inside all my videos, you will see, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see right here where it says below, you will find links to some of the other projects I'm invested in. These projects are working well for me. You understand me? Anytime you look at my videos, always scroll down here and check out the projects that I got, because as new projects come in, I'll be adding them to it, and as they get bad, I'll be taking them off. So just don't forget to always come down here and check the videos for some new projects, y'all. You might find a winner over here. Yeah, y'all. Today we here to talk about the BNB Factory Miner. Now this one right here, I ain't gonna lie, I've been keeping it on the low because I just been really messing with the beans like that. But on the low, this joint right here been doing its thing. ROI, back in pocket, and everything is just profit from here on out. All I be doing is recompounding, B. You understand what I'm saying? I started this joint off with like a half a BNB. Put 2.5 in there, and I put another 2.5 in there, and I've been rolling since. Got my ROI back, got some profits back, and it's just still going, y'all. It's all profits from here on out. Sweet little miner. Go right there. You understand what I'm saying? So I got 25 million right now. One BNB will get you 82 million miners. So I got 25 million right now. Like I said, I'm all in profit, so it don't matter what I do, whether I take or whether I recompound, it really don't matter. There it is, y'all. I got 30 million miners right now. Now, tomorrow I'm gonna bring y'all back another video and see how much BNBs I get for that in 24 hours. Remember, y'all, this ain't no financial advice. This is just me showing y'all what I do. If you see me doing what I do and you like what I do and you want to do it too, be my guest. I'm gonna drop a link in the description for you. Remember, y'all, invest safely and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Peace out.